SA's premier ICT industry gathering was held on 25 February at Vodaworld, Midrand, Johannesburg. Featuring high-level insights from business leaders, the event presented an in-depth look at global trends, strategies and tools for thriving in the application economy. Delegates were provided with tips on how to enable innovation, become more agile, lock down data, maximize the mainframe and unleash the power of DevOps. With critical analysis and invaluable networking opportunities with top stakeholders, the CAIT Management Symposium set the bar for future events in the ICT arena.
IT has inexorably been propelled to the front lines of the business battlefield.
We're living in that era of this enormous collision between the world we know, are comfortable with and happy with, and the world that's lying in front of us full of opportunity.
I understand the challenges that enterprises face in seizing the opportunities that technology brings.
The starting point is going to be different for different companies in different market segments. The most important thing will be to start. The focus should really be on delivering value to customers, with another very important focus on the velocity at which new value can be delivered. So really rethinking the development process and where the focus should be.
You look at just here at this event today, well over 1,000 people, a lot of people from the government here learning about new technologies, new trends. Digital is really about accelerating the time that it takes for us to take a great new idea and actually get it out to our customers, our consumers, and citizens. So it's really about leveraging the technology so that we can go faster, deliver a better product, and do it at a much lower cost.
You really need to think about the journey that you're going to go on in organizations. We all hear these terms, DevOps, continuous delivery, agile, but that's not where companies are today. They're beginning that journey. We have to go on the journey to get to the place where we can be competitive in our markets, but that's a journey. So we need to think about how do we structure that roadmap, and we really need to get started.
CA's focus on research and design is a dramatic shift from the previous ways that we've built software in the past. It's given us the opportunity to look at those insights and look for those insights that give us the ability to really provide solutions that are going to be exponentially different and exponentially better, instead of just giving linear improvements to systems that are already in place.
Last year we released APM 10, which was the result of extensive research we did around personas and understanding through cultural anthropology how users needed to interact with APM software. That has driven our development towards what we call Epic APM. We're not Epic yet, but it's a journey, it's our strategy, and that's how we're going to deliver the next generation of APM.
What CA technology is going to do is use analytics to move from a very reactive approach to infrastructure management to a proactive approach to infrastructure management, which allows us to start looking ahead of the problem, identifying issues before they actually impact end user experience.
Businesses now have to evolve. It's not a choice. What we do as a company is we help business people and engineers sit at the same table and blueprint the way they are going to transform their business and change the world a little bit.
This event is not a product pitch. What we've done is assembled experts, we've got customers together, all with the goal that they can take some understanding and good ideas and best practices back to their business.